back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family of 7. There's myself, my husband, and our 5 children. And today I'm going to talk to you guys about decorating for Christmas. Woo! So I hope you guys enjoy seeing the process we go through, how we organize and how we set up the tree. And also this year we decided to buy a new tree, so I'm going to take you shopping with me for that. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below. I absolutely love to hear from you. The first thing I like to do is get down all of the Christmas decorations we currently have, go through and decide what we want to keep, what we're going to use this year, and if we need anything new. And that way when I'm shopping with our theme in mind, and I'm not purchasing things that I don't need or things that I won't use. So we are heading into Big W, which is like our Australian version of Walmart, and I had already decided what kind of tree I wanted, but I thought I'd take you along when we go and pick up our new tree and do some other Christmas shopping while we were there.
Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow.
One of the affordable things I like to do is to purchase 1 or 2 Christmas shirts for our kids. They are really affordable. Most of them are $5 or under. They can wear them to all of our Christmas events, and then they've got something very Christmassy that's cheap and can easily be handed down to the different children as they grow out of them.
Little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that.
So the tree I chose for this year is called a slender pine, and it's a really neutral color tree. It's sort of this light green with flecks of silver, and I really love the color, and I love that it's got a really slim profile, so wherever we move to in the future, hopefully it will be a great match.
Something is waiting for me.
When I'm purchasing Christmas decor, I'm constantly asking myself, is this going to serve us well for years to come? So I want to purchase things that are really timeless and that we're going to enjoy and suit our theme year after year, so that we're not constantly purchasing new items that we don't love all the time.
Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats,
The other thing I consider when I'm shopping for Christmas items is perhaps if I don't want to buy it for full price, I'm looking around and seeing if there is anything that I would consider buying when it comes on sale after Christmas.
Santa is coming. I know, I know.
Hey Siri, play Christmas radio.
Now playing Christmas Classics Radio.
When we're setting up our tree, I really like to make it a really special event for the kids. I get them all dressed up in their Christmas shirts. I make sure that the area is nice and clear, ready for us to spend a great time setting up the tree. I like to give all the kids their own little job so they feel like they're part of the process. Unfortunately, such as real life, there is some tears and some disagreements, but that is just family life.
I'm strolling around, just wondering where you a corner.
As far as trees go, this one is super easy to assemble. It was just 3 separate parts. You just fluffed out the leaves and it was ready to go.
Still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you.
So when it comes to decorations for my tree, everything is very inexpensive. That's for 2 reasons. 1, because if something gets broken, it's not a big deal. 2 is that I like the decorations to reflect my kids' personalities. We have Avengers baubles, we have Disney princesses, we have little Winnie the Poohs, as well as Santas and angels, and it's just a reflection of who we are. I do try, if possible, to buy ornaments that can't be broken, so they're either made out of plastic or some sort of really hardy material so that they'll go the distance, and we can be really relaxed about letting the kids enjoy the Christmas tree. I also don't pay probably more than $2 or $3 per ornament unless it's something super special. And I'll always wait till the after Christmas sales. If I see something that I really want for the kids, it usually comes on for half price.
It will be all that you dream. I have
Now, our tree is not anything that is Pinterest worthy, but it is a reflection of who we are. I let the kids decorate it themselves. They put the things where they want them to go, and it's such a lovely time as a family, and our tree reflects who we are without being too overwhelming or too expensive. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please leave them down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Girl, I wish you the merriest Christmas.